Let's walk. I just found a way to be here. Incredible opportunities to.
All right, we are out here with Nav from Toronto, Canada, my city, and we are at the Mastermind in Belfast, Ireland, in this beautiful castle, meeting other schoolers, school community owners, entrepreneurs, just scaling our businesses, leveling up, thinking about ideas of how to make our business better. I want to interview Nav. Can you say hello first of all?
Hello, thank you for having me here.
I want to interview Nav because I know you have a community and you're really passionate about school and you've been really engaging. Can you tell the people a bit about yourself and your journey?
Of course.
Let's walk through this.
Let's walk. I'm beyond amazed by the power of community and the power of proximity. In a nutshell, school has just given me such incredible opportunities to grow. And when you surround yourself with people who are doing amazing things, you sort of naturally start doing amazing things yourself. 4 months ago when I joined Skool, I had no idea what I was going to do or what my niche was going to be or what I was going to talk about. But one thing I did know was I just wanted to connect and have conversations and just talk to cool people. So that's sort of what I led with. How can I make friends? How can I start talking to amazing people?
Can you tell us what are you doing with school yourself, right? Also tell us how does that help people?
So I have launched 3 to 4-ish communities. When you start, you're going to realize what you actually want to do is probably not what you actually end up doing. So it's a lot about experimenting. So if you're in that experimenting phase, just know that's normal. Everyone goes through that. Right now I have a community called High School. That is where I share tips on how to grow your own school community and more of the internal stuff, like the internal beliefs around money and family trauma. You know, if you have a blockage within your relationship with any parent, it's going to limit your ability to just attract a lot of abundance that you're capable of. The stuff that we avoid, the childhood traumas. It's kind of funny because in a way it's all of us going back to high school and relearning the stuff that we didn't really get a chance to learn.
Like you talked about releasing trauma, healing relationships.
The real stuff that you don't really learn from school.
So how are you involved now? I know beyond your community, you're behind the scenes. I see you helping out. What's that look like?
I was invited to Skool HQ for hitting level 7. I don't think that's a thing anymore. So if you're listening to this, that's not a thing anymore. But once upon a time, when you hit level 7, you could go visit HQ. So I got an incredible opportunity to go to HQ, and it just ended up being really impactful. I need to find a way to be around these people, be around Sam. So I've been fortunate enough to, be connected now. I did not know anyone when I first joined Skool, but now to know people like Ted Carr and Sam Ovens, yourself, the cameraman here.
What's so cool about school? Why do you think it's why is it so important to you, and what do you recommend it to the viewer about school?
Yes, so for me, it's the people, the people that this platform attracts. That's one thing that I really look up to Sam Ovens for, the vision he has behind the platform. It is built to attract people who genuinely want to make an impact in other people's lives. That's the whole point of a community, to build with other people and not try to do this yourself. So it's attracting so many incredible, helpful people that just want to make this world a better place.
Thank you so much, Nav. So before we go, I just want you to tell the people what you got in your future plans. What do you envision with your school community and your school career and stuff? And then also where can they find you to connect with you?
So my future plans are continue doing what I'm doing, network with people, have really good conversations. I'm huge on networking, with the right people, surrounding yourself in opportunities. Like right now, we're at this gorgeous castle and at a mastermind with Ted Carr and Matthew Thompson. I just found a way to be here, be present, be around where all the amazing people are. Continuing with that and growing High School, I will be launching a paid community soon, so I'm very excited about that. You can find me at skool.com/@nav.
Thank you so much. So see you guys on High School Community.